Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this cute bunny cupcake. First you're going to need a silicone cupcake mold, some sparkly white Fimo effect, and some solid pink Sculpey 3. First you're going to take some Sculpey 3 pink and put it into your cupcake mold. Once you've squished your polymer clay down enough, cut off all the extra. The base of your cupcake is now completed. For the head of the rabbit, you want to take some of the white Fimo effect and roll it out into a ball and squish it down into the shape of the cupcake's top. Place that on the top of your mold. Next, for the ears, take some more Fimo, roll it out into a ball, and then cut it in half. Take one half and shape it into an ear. Do the same with the other piece. Once both ears are made, stick them on the sides of the rabbit's head. Use a needle tool to make sure that they're well attached to the base. Use a dotting tool to make the holes for the eyes. For eyes, I'm using these small black balls from Miniature Sweets. I'm placing them in the eye holes and making sure that they're well attached. Next, for a little bit of character, I put a flower on my rabbit. For the nose, roll out a little bit of Sculpey and place it down on your workspace. Use your X-Acto knife to cut out a triangle shape. Next, put the nose on your rabbit. I used a little bit of Sculpey to make cheeks for my rabbit. I also used a little bit of chalk pastels to make the pink of the ears. Now that your rabbit's done, you want to place an eye pin in the top behind the ears. Bake according to your packaging instructions. Now that my charm is done baking, I'm using UV resin to glaze my charm. Lastly, I'm curing it with a black light. Ta-da! You're done your rabbit cupcake charm. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye!